Hey babes, Destiny here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, what's up? Don't forget to smash that subscribe button before you dip out so you can join the XO gang and to make sure you'll never miss a video from me. So today I am finally showing you guys how I installed my Senegalese twist crochet braids that have been all over my Instagram, that we've all been loving. They're long, they're fabulous, they are freaking everything, and it took me about 5 hours to do. So I did my braiding pattern off of camera. I just want to quickly show you what I did. So I did individuals in the front and along the perimeter, and then I did traditional crochet braids in the middle and in the back, and that is how I was able to achieve this look. So let's get started. So off of camera, I finished my base. It took me about 2 hours to complete. Yes, I really took my time with the parting and with the braiding just because I wanted it to be very neat and secure, because I do want this style to last longer than any other crochet set that I've done. I do work out quite a bit during the week, so I sweat a lot, and my styles tend to look older quicker than the average person. So small braids, neat parts are the way to go for a long-lasting style. Of course, prepping our hair for our braids is super important, can't miss it. So I'm just going to show you guys the products that I use today. To cleanse and condition my hair, I use my Diva Curl No Poo combination, the shampoo and the conditioner. I really like this stuff. Super lightweight, and it cleanses my hair like a gem. For my leave-in and my conditioner, I used my Carol's Daughter combing cream. I really love the way this stuff smells. It gives my hair the perfect amount of slip, which is amazing for braiding and makes it smoother, and you know that's important for us type gals. Once I completed all my braids, I went in through my parts and worked in this Main Choice growth oil. So now that I showed you guys my braiding pattern and I came on camera looking oh so cute, I hope my future husband is watching. I'm gonna go off of camera and install a good part of my perimeter just because it's going to be easier for me, and I'll save just enough so I can show you guys the individual install process. So be right back. So this is the hair that I installed. It's by Bobbi Boss. It's 36 inches. It's gorgeous. I picked this up at the Slauson Market in LA. For whatever reason, I cannot find it online for a reasonable price, but I paid $6.99 per pack and used colors 1B and 1B30. Okay, so off of camera, I did majority of the back. So I did the individuals that are around the perimeter, and it was super easy. And I also did individual style for the end of the braids to mask those. And then of course I did the normal crochet method on my cornrows right here. So far I'm really loving this crochet here. It's super lightweight and the twists are so luxe. They're super uniform and it has the right amount of shine, and I do like the ends as well. It just looks super duper nice, and of course I do love the accents that are on here, the little gold accents. So as far as the color blend, I'm not the best at blending different types of colors. I never have been. So usually I would just go for one color. I wish I would have got all of this 1B30 color because I do like the brown and I like how it looks on my skin, but I'm trying to figure out how to get a good mix of the 1B and then the 1B30. So I did start by switching the colors. I would install 1B and 1B30 and so forth and so forth, but I didn't really like how the color started to blend. So instead what I started to do was put majority of the brown in the back, and then once I feel like there's too much brown, I would go in and then install some of the 1B pieces. But then I realized that I really do love the brown color, because at first I was going to put all of the 1B toward the front, but now that I love the brown color, I'm about to go in and put a lot of one be in the back so I can get some of this color in the front. And we're just going to see how this works out. I'm hoping it works out okay. Okay, so I'm about to turn around and we're about to install these babies. Oh, and I forgot to mention, so far I've used 4 packs and I got the majority of the back of my hair done, which is really awesome. And I have 5 more to go, and I counted my individuals up in the front, and I need about 2 and a little some packs to complete the front. So I'm definitely going to have more than enough hair. So for the spacing in the back, my worst nightmare is going in, installing my hair to the back, and then as I go to the front, then I have to start being sparse or taking pieces from the back because I run out of hair. So to prevent that, what I'm doing is I'm taking my finger, we're gonna start over here, and I'm placing my finger down so I can get my spacing together, and then above my finger I'm going to put my hook in and then begin to latch. And again, this is just going to ensure that I don't have crowding in the back. So I'm about to hop off of camera and finish the rest of the back. But before I go, I just want to quickly go over how to do the normal crochet method for when you want to cornrow your hair back and install crochets. So let me start right here. So what you first do is take your latch hook and you slide it underneath the braid where you want to install it, and keep your hook open. As you can see, my hook is open. Then take the loop and wrap it around the hook. Close this latch piece. Once that is secure, pull it through all the way, slide the hair down, slide it down so the latch is exposed again, and then take the end of your crochet braid, wrap it around the hook, close the latch again, pull the loop up, and then pull the latch hook through the loop and press it down all the way to the base. And that is how you crochet hair in. I'm going to do another one just because. So we are first going to take our latch hook, put it underneath the space where we want to install our crochet braid. Take our crochet, place the loop around the hook, close the latch, pull the latch hook through, slide the loop down to expose the hook again, then wrap the end of your crochet around the hook, close the latch, pull the loop through, pull the latch through, and secure at the base. And there you go. That is how you crochet. All right, I'll be back in about 15 minutes. All right, I am back, and as you can see, I have most of my hair finished. Yes, this is so gorgeous. She looks cute. So all I have is this little area right here, and I am going to show you guys how I individually install these crochets. It's so simple. I've done the individual method with faux locks and box braids, and this one is literally by far the easiest. And you will see with box braids you have to use your hook to, you know, work the braid, your hair down the crochet braid, and with faux locks you have to perfectly unravel the faux lock and twist it around your hair. But this is so easy. You literally just wrap it around and it stays. It stays. So the first step is the same. You take your latch hook and you slide it through the base of your individual. Make sure it's nice and secure. You have a little bit of wiggle room. You don't want it too tight. so you don't rip your hair out, but you don't want it so loose that the crochet will hang down. So once you have that, just take your crochet, hook it around the hook right there, close the latch, and of course pull it through. And I like to grab this braid as I'm pulling it through the base, and then grab your hook again, loop the end of your crochet around it, slide the latch close, and then slide the loop around, pull your crochet through, pull it tight. And once you have that, what I do is just open up my crochet and grab the hair, feed it through. Let me zoom in a bit. There we go, zoomed in. And then once you have that, follow the pattern of this twist. So it's going this way. So around, and just twist it around your crochet. I'm just twisting it around, and it's fitting in there seamlessly. So once you get to the end, you want to take a little bit of gel, and I am using this Jamaican black castor oil and flaxseed gel. It's really nice. And just put it around the ends of your natural hair, and then continue to wrap it around the crochet, and this is going to help it stay in place. Now you may have a few that come loose, but just unravel it and add more gel. Voila! Oh, so gorgeous. Next time I'm going to get jumbo Senegalese twists, and I'm going to do my entire head individuals. I can't wait. So I'm going to do one more right here, and we want this one brown. We're going to put our latch hook around the base of our individual braid and hang it on the loop, the hook. Close the latch, slide it through. Hold your natural braid as you're pulling it through so it doesn't pull at the root, and then wrap the ends around the hook. And then we're going to slide it through. Now, for some reason, it's kind of difficult to get it to the base with the ones that have the yarn around it, but it shouldn't be too difficult. We can open up our crochet and put the braid through the crochet, and then wrap it around the twist in the direction that the twist is going. If you stretch it, just push it back up. And that is how you do it, friends. Okay, so we're all done. Love, love, love. So cute. Need to figure out how I'm gonna wear it. I'm not sure. I'm gonna wrap it up really, really tight tonight so it can lay flatter, and then I can really see how I want to wear it. But so far it's extremely cute. Thank you, babe, so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to leave a comment, thumbs this video up, and please share with a friend if you do enjoy the style and if you would like to see more hair tutorials from me. As always, peace and love, and I'll chat with you guys next week. Mwah.